So the question then is, well, how do we get from this sacred cosmos, this Christian view of creation that seems to govern and orientate all aspects of human understanding, all aspects of human life, how do we get from that to a modern world which sees the sacred as something entirely private, a matter of personal whim, that wants to say that there is a neutral secular order? How do we get from one to the other, to a modern world that has marginalised the divine, that has, as the jargon often goes, has bracketed God, has said that God is only concerned with certain bits but not others? How do we get from one to the other? Well, radical orthodoxy sets up a kind of narrative for how that happens. And the narrative runs something like this. And the best way of explaining it is actually to go back to the 13th century and to the Dominican theologian Thomas Aquinas and look at how he understands God and the way that we speak about God. So if we look at what Thomas Aquinas says about theological language, he talks about the way that we speak.